Let's discuss professional engineering liability, particularly in Illinois, focusing on the questions raised regarding architects, engineers, and responsibilities related to MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing drawings. A critical point is whether architects in Illinois can legally stamp MEP drawings. Generally, the answer is no. The Illinois Professional Engineering Act governs this. It dictates that only licensed professional engineers can seal or stamp engineering documents. This includes specifically MEP drawings. The Act does not authorize architects to perform this engineering function. Now consider the scenario where you are a licensed engineer and your immediate supervisor is unlicensed. If that supervisor performs electrical design work without your knowledge or review, and that work is then released, you may still bear some responsibility. As the only licensed engineer in the organization, you have a professional obligation to ensure all engineering work adheres to applicable standards and regulations. Your role necessitates that reasonable steps are taken to prevent errors or omissions. If designs are issued without your review, you should immediately document your concerns. Communicate this to your supervisor and potentially request a review by another qualified professional engineer. Your professional license carries a responsibility to protect public safety. The situation where your supervisor modifies your designs, implementing what is called value engineering, without your permission, presents a further liability concern. If these changes affect the safety or the structural or operational integrity of the design, you could be held responsible. You should document these unauthorized alterations immediately. Communicate your concerns to both your supervisor and the client or project owner. If necessary, consult with legal counsel to understand the extent of your liability and how to protect your professional standing. This is particularly critical if the changes deviate from sound engineering practice or applicable codes. It's vital to understand the architect's belief that they can seal MEP drawings is incorrect. It's essential to communicate clearly and professionally that only licensed engineers can properly seal those documents in Illinois. Ensure that the architect attains the appropriate engineering review and sealing for all MEP submissions. To summarize, here are some recommendations. 1. Communicate your concerns in writing to both your supervisor and the architect, making a clear record. 2. Meticulously document all unauthorized changes and any related conversations regarding the project. 3. Seek legal advice if you believe your professional liability is at risk. 4. Consistently emphasize and encourage the architect to secure appropriate professional engineering review and sealing for all mechanical, electrical, and plumbing drawings. Adhering to these points helps to protect your license and to fulfill your professional responsibilities.